I'm sorry to say.
One person doesn't say the things as they give. You can continue.
I'm sorry to say this, but I think lately we have been fighting with also gender equality, and most of the times when we talk about gender equality, they support the ladies most times. Recently, in the recent news and all that, they're discussing about gender equality for men. No one speaks out for us. Let me give one last example. If you went for a job with a very decent woman, I'll give my example with maybe her. You get it? I go presentably, she's a leader here, so I'm doing that. And we try to speak. In most cases, high chances are, depends on the job. I've tried job interviews, but I'm telling you, 70 out of 30, ladies take it. You know why? They feel ladies are more presentable than men. So I feel this would be to me. If the guys, whether the gentlemen are ready to do the job, let's have the people who are around ready to do the job. Let's have the men also do this. Yes. If the men are responsible ones, the men go through.
Yes, the last